In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit this kind of video that you are seeing above my head here. Okay, so if you have benefited one or two things from this very particular platform, then do well to give me a support by dropping your comment on the comment section, ask your question, and do well to share this video so that others will benefit from it as well. So let's go. All right, let's head over to Capcut to show you how I recorded everything before we start the editing. Click on the Capcut. Okay, on getting to Capcut, click on that very new project. It will take you to your gallery. Here is the video. Click on it and click on this add button to bring it up to the editing interface. Allow it to load. This is how it will appear. Okay, what you need to do now is to remove the unwanted part by either trimming or cutting or cut out the unwanted part of it. Let me start from here. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the part that I want the video to start. Touch this side of the video. Okay, like this. Come over to split and then highlight the unwanted part and click on delete. Then take the video forward to remove the end part of it, the unwanted part of it at the end of it. Highlight the video, come over to split, click on it and click on delete as well to remove that very unwanted part of the video. This is what you will do now. Head over to this very place. Okay, click on it so that the video will fill the screen. Now take a screenshot of the video. Okay, so once you are done taking the screenshot of the video, then the next thing which you need to do is to return to your home screen. Then go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download Canva. Okay, so I'm using my Google Chrome. Come over here and then type in canva.com. You can download the app, okay, and have it installed on your phone, or you can go through Google Chrome, okay, and then log into it and sign up with them. Alright, so the moment you get to Canva like this, then you head over to this very plus button. Okay, click on it, allow it to load. Click on this very upload. Then come over to media picker, then allow it to load. This is the screenshot we took, okay, from that very Capcut. Then click on it. Then the next thing which you need to do is to click on edit image. After clicking on it, allow it to load. The next thing you need to do at this moment is to click on Magic Studio. Then come over to Magic Edit. So this is what you will do now. Shade the part that you want the effect to take place. You can see what I'm doing now. Okay, shade the part that you want the effect to take place. Okay, then once you're done with it like this, you come over to next. Click on next. You see this very box here, description or describe what to add or change. Type in Dove here. Okay, type in, you can use any description. You have the picture of what you want to achieve in your heart. Okay, once you are done with it, click on generate. Once you click on generate, allow it to load. All right, you can see what we have here. So you can choose between these four. You can see it there. Okay, for instance, you don't really love what you are having currently, then you can click on generate again. It will bring more options. Okay, but with what we are having here, I think this second one is okay. You can see it now. So at this point, you head over to save and click on download. Okay, to have the stuff downloaded to your gallery. Then return back to your Capcut here. Okay, and return this. This is what you will do. From this place, click on this add button. You can see it there. Click on it. Then on this side, you come over to this place and click on photo, because we are going to bring in the photo or the image. Here is it. Then click on it and click on add. Having that brought to the editing interface, here is the image and this is the main video. Click on that very image. Okay, then swipe to the end until you get to overlay. Click on that very overlay to have the image brought to the bottom. Okay, this is what we have now. The next thing for you to do is this. Having the image highlighted, which is the overlay, swipe until you get to mask. Here is mask. You can see mask here. This is mask. Then allow it to load. You head over to Hero Center, this particular one, the second box, and click on it. Then use your two thumbs. You can see this yellow line. Use your two thumbs to rotate it. You can see the two vertical or the two lines on the screen as I'm rotating it. Okay, so let's leave it like this. I think this should be okay. Now the next thing which you need to do at this point is to click that check mark button. Then having it clicked, then you come over to the main video here. Click on it for me and then go to duplicate. This is duplicate. This is duplicate. Duplicate the two. Have the second one or any of the main video highlighted. Come to overlay. Take it down and take it to the beginning of the video. This is what you will do. Highlight the main video that you overlaid. Then come to remove background. Okay. Click on custom removal. Then click on brush. This is brush. Choose brush. Reduce the pointer to 1. Then this is what you will do. Come over to that image and then brush it. Just brush the image alone. You really need to take time and brush the entire image alone. Alright, the moment you are done brushing the image, you head over to that check mark key and click on it. Okay, then let's play the video. This is the outcome of our practical. So do well to share this video so that others will benefit from it. By doing so, you are helping the ministry. See you in my next video.